Greetings. I forgot my Leyden jar.
You're Ben Franklin?
Child, if you wish to impress me, tell me something I do not already know.
Just be careful, or you'll get one heck of a shock.
I know that, little miss. 'Twould never touch a kite in a storm.
So you know lightning's dangerous.
Of course. It hits the tallest thing around, so you never want to be outside in an open field. Nor should you stand under a tree, which could also be hit. And definitely stay away from any water. And, verily, never hold anything metal.
Wait a second! I am made of metal!
I've just caught lightning in a bottle.
Ow!
Lad, you used up my electricity.
That was it? We can't power anything with one little zap.
Obviously, you need a long row of these jars.
Can we go home now?